Guten Morgen, Klasse 9. Ich heiße Herr Gibby. Also mein Name ist Herr Gibby. Herr Gibby. What do you think Herr means? Herr Gibby. I'll give you a clue. It's not this. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do today, we are communicating. All right. That comes from our learning value of respect. And we're communicating a little bit about ourselves. Not a lot at this stage. A bit difficult at this through this medium, but we do our best, don't we? Well done to everybody who's been engaging with what I've been putting up on Google Classroom so far. Excellent work. I'll be giving you a little bit of feedback on that as the day goes by. Okay, so usually when we come in, I pull on the board the learning habit heute. Heute means today, and today's date is Montag, den 1. November, Monday the 1st of November. So, guten Morgen, guten Morgen. Ich heiße Herr Gibby. Ich heiße Herr Gibby. Now in German, we use the same alphabet apart from a couple of things. And here you'll see this thing here. We call it an SZ, but it's a double S. Yeah, SS. And it comes after a long vowel sound, like heisse. So the EI makes I sound, okay? Ich heiße Herr Gibby. And as you can hear, when I'm saying this, yeah, I actually say the letter all right? Heisse. Ich heiße Herr Gibby. Okay. Now I've put on Google Classroom a little thing you're going to do. You can do it on a Google slide. You can do it as a document, whatever you want to use. All right. Usually I make you make a little name shield for your table. Mainly because, although I look incredibly young, I am not very young and I have a bad memory. So it's good for me to be able to look around the room and go, aha, and remember your names that way. But we'll have to just cope with what we're doing at the moment. And if you open up Google Classroom and the document where it says, Hallo, Namensschild, you just do something similar. You can put your own photograph up there and a couple of things about what you like doing. So it could be just colours, etc. A copy of the German flag, Austrian flag, Swiss flag, and your own flag. Okay, auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.